See, my fan wasn't cycling. Come in and hook my gauges up, and we'll see what happens here. She's dropping down. I mean, I went in and opened the cover to the ice machine. She's cycling out more than likely. She's either got a reefer leak or something's going on. I can either do one of two things. I can wire that fan to come on by contact. That'll help cool it down. Go from there. Pump some juice in there. One of the two. Let's see what I do. So right here, we're coming off of that fan. Cycling switch. You can simply take this and plug it up in there. And that will do the trick. The compressor comes on. Fan will come on. We can. I got the power off. Still don't like reaching my hands in there. Take that bad boy and get it out of there. And this to the low side. Now the fan gonna come right on, and the contactor go in. The contactor not gonna go in because I'm not supplying it voltage probably. They're not daisy chained together that I see. Let's trace this wire back. Goes back to this one comes out. We're just hitting the delay now. We'll wait for that delay, and we'll hook up on a suction pull. Fan of these dies, but whatever. I don't have the injector either, so this is how I do it. I got my port shut off, and I will simply take my screwdriver and give her a little squirt right into the hoses. Now I'm going to shut my hose off, and I'm going to carefully take it off. Bad cameraman, I know. And I'm gonna cap this bad boy. This stuff gets everywhere, boy. I can't stand it. I have already put this bad boy on the scale. Teared it out so I can do what I gotta do, and she is going to get some guys. She's running thick. That liquid through there. She's got dye in there now, guys. Amen. Alright. she's thirsty. She is thirsty, boy. And then we just hit the 200s when the fan would come on through the fan cycling center. So let's start to slow down, see what she does. She's thirsty. She should be cooling off in there, making some ice. Temperatures. Alright, so that fan cycling switch is being a butt. I just wired it to the contactor of the compressor. So when the compressor comes on, the fan comes on. I put 5 pounds of Juju in there and some dye. So we will return sometime down the road. Maybe not me, maybe someone else. Do a thorough leak check. It's running on 7 p.m. now, so in and out, baby. Get that ice machine going so that way they can have some nice tasty cold pop. Without the ice in the chute, it gives it warm carbonation, which turns all the pop flat with this setup. So it's more about getting it on and getting it going than it is being thorough on overtime rate at this point. So that's what we're doing. I'm making sure it drops another set of ice, and then I'm out of here. Just FYI, I can't go inside. They got the music blaring. They'll hit me with copyright claims if it's all over the video. So that's why you're not seeing video from the inside. Peace. Subscribe. Nate's trying to make money off of y'all watching my videos. Hook a brother up. Hook a brother up.